Hello students, today we will discuss exercise 5.4 of chapter number 5, that is differentiation derivative. These are the 10 questions of exercise 5.4 in which the first statement is, in all these questions we find differentiation, that is derivative. The first statement is y is equal to e the power x divided by sin x. When we differentiate with respect to x, in this question we use quotient rule, that is v square v differentiation of u means u differentiation of v. This means that is sin x, differentiation of ex is ex, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Take e the x common, we get sin x means cos x upon sin square x. This is the differentiation of this question. In question number second, y is equal to e power sin inverse x. When we differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx, differentiation of e the power is same into differentiation of power, that is e the power sin inverse x. Differentiation of sin inverse x is under root 1 means x square. This is the differentiation of this question. In question number third, the statement is y is equal to ex cube. When we differentiate this with respect to x, that's dy upon dx, differentiation of e power is same multiply derivative of power, that is ex cube. This we use power rule, 3x square. This means 3x square into ex cube. In question number 4, y is equal to sin tan inverse e power x. When we differentiate with respect to x, that's dy upon dx, differentiation of sin is cos tan inverse ex into differentiation of tan inverse ex. This means cos tan inverse ex, and differentiation of this is 1 plus x square. X is e power x into derivative of e power x. This means cos tan inverse e dx, differentiation of e dx is e dx, 1 plus e 2x. This is the differentiation of first 4 questions. In question number 5th, the statement is y is equal to, that is in question number 5th, solution of question 5th, y is equal to log of cos ex. When we differentiate with respect to x, that is dy upon dx, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x into differentiation of cos e the power x. As we know, differentiation of cos is sin and into differentiation of e the power x. Sin by cos is tan, differentiation of e the power x is e the power x, that is means e the x into tan e the power x. This is the differentiation of this. In question number 6, the statement is e the power x square up to e the power e x the power 5. When we differentiate with respect to x, Differentiation of e dx is e dx and derivative of this is 1. Differentiation of this is ex square multiply derivative of power plus differentiation of e the power x is same into differentiation of this power. So this is ex, this is ex square into 2x, this is ex5 into 5x4. This is the differentiation of question number 6. In 7th question, in question number 7, the statement is y is equal to e root x whole root. We take this root as 1 by 2. When we differentiate with respect to x, we first use power rule. That is, take 1 by 2 e root x, 1.2 means 1 and derivative of inside term. This means this is 1 by 2 e root x means half. Derivative of this is e root x into derivative of under root x. This is 1.2 under root e root x. This is e root x. Here we use power rule 1.2 root x. This means e root x divided by 4 under root x e root x whole. This is the differentiation of question number 7. In 8th question, the statement is y is equal to log into log x. When we differentiate with respect to x, that's dy upon dx. Differentiation of log is 1 by x and differentiation of angle. This means 1 upon log x. Differentiation of log is 1 by x. This is the derivative of question number 8. In 9th question, the statement is in 9th question, that's y is equal to cos x by log x. When we differentiate this y with respect to x, we use quotient rule. That is v square v differentiation of u means u differentiation of v. This is log x. Differentiation of this is means sin x means cos x. Derivative of this is 1 by x. So we get, take means common, sin x log x plus cos x by x divided by log x whole square. This is the solution of question number 9. In 10th question, y is equal to cos log x plus e power x. When we differentiate with respect to x, that's dy upon dx. Derivative of cos is means sin log x plus ex into derivative of angle. This means this is means sin log x plus ex. Differentiation of log is 1 by x. E the power x is same. This is the solution of question number 10. This means we solve all the questions of exercise 5.4. It's very important. Solve it completely. If you have any problem, then ask me at any time.